Welcome to my YouTube channel CATIA. In this video, we are going to learn about View Toolbar. So first we'll start with Fit All in option. So Fit All in what? Like if you zoomed out the model or zoomed too much in the screen and you want to fit the model in the screen, you can click on this button, it will be zoom. Suppose if I zoom too much and again I'll click on this button, it will be zoom and fit the screen. So we can fit the model with the help of this particular option. Next, this is pan button. If you want to pan the model, you can take the option and you can pan wherever you want to place it. You can do it by taking the pan button. Now, if you want to revolve the model from the toolbar, you can take the rotate from here and you can rotate the model on the screen by using this option. Next, if you want to zoom a model, you can click on the plus. It will be zoom the model. Like that, we can do zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, we can click on this zoom out button. It will be zoom out. Now if you want to do a normal view, like if you're selecting any plane or faces, if you click on that normal view, it will be make the screen to be normal to that. Like for example, I take that particular plane, it will be make that plane to be normal to the screen. Okay, so that is a way of making normal too. So mostly when we're working with 2D or 3D things and we want to make screen to become normal, in that case we use this normal view option. Now if you want to see the model in different views, we'll use this option create multiple view. We'll click on this. So here we can see the top view, front view, right view and the isometric view of the bottle. Now we'll click back if you want to see a normal view. Now let's take a different model to understand these options. Now let's understand all these options. If you want to see the model in isometric view, we'll click on the isometric. This will take us the view in the isometric view. If we want to go to the top view, we can click. Now if you want to see the front view, we can click on the front view option. It will be take us in the front view. Then we can take like a back view. Then we can go for the left side view, right side view, the top view, the bottom view. So like that way we can go to different view whenever we want. Now if you want to design your own view conditions, so that also you can do. Suppose I want to save this view condition, we can go here and take named view option and you can click on add. So it will be set that camera and it will be take that view. You want to take more view, you can add, like I want to add this, we'll take this. Like this we can add and apply. Now do okay. Now if you want to go to that views, you can go to camera and you just take like for example camera 1 and camera 2. Like that we can also use our views. You can reverse that view also and you can check the property of that view. You want to delete that views that you created, you can delete or modify also. So if I want to delete camera 1, we can delete it. Okay, so next we are going to see how we can change the shadings and hidden lines and all. So initially we can see the model with the edges. Now if I go and take the option first, shading, so here we can see the edges won't appears, now it is hidden. Now we'll take the option here, second option, shading with edges, it become like earlier. So now we can see all the edges with circular edges and side edges, every edges we can see here. Next option we have shading with edges without smooth edges. What it means by smooth edges, like if you see circular edges here, it will show you edges. In the circular body you can see the extra edges, but when I take this option, it will be hide all that edges that is displaying extra in circular body cases. See here it is hidden all. Next we'll take the option shading with the edges and hidden lines. So you can see the interior thing that we cannot see directly, that will be shown with the hidden lines. Next we have shading with material. This will work when you apply material on the part. So for that we'll just do one thing. We have one command is there, apply material. We'll go to that apply material tool. So what material we want to apply, that material we can select from this construction, fabric, metal, other, painting. We have a lot of materials, we can choose that. So for example, I want to take here, let's take metals. We'll take some metal. I want to apply gold. Apply. Now you have to change the property from here to the gold and you can see the gold will be applied. You can also control the rendering property of this. You come here in the part body, double click on the gold and go to rendering property. So here we can control the ambient, diffuse, refraction, reflectivity of the part, apply, and you can see. So how you want to need that, you just control the things and it will be change accordingly. Okay, next, last we have here, so wireframe. You can see the model in the wireframe view, everything look like a wire here. Next we can see the model with the customized view parameter. We can click on this. How we want to see the model we can define here. So you want to define any condition, you just take from here. So a model will be taken all the data as inputs, whatever you are defining. So it will be displayed in that way. Like if I want this view, you do OK and it will be displayed in that view. Now let's change back to original shading with edges. Now here we have the option for hiding and show. So if anything is hidden, you can show that, and anything is visible, you want to hide that, you can do that. Like for example, this plane is hidden, I want to show. We'll click on this option. I say XY plane, I want to show. So we can show that. Like this sketches are hidden, I want to show some sketches. We can click on the sketch. You see that outline is came. Like that we can show them. If you want to hide that, again you just click and you click on that things, it will be get hidden. So like that we can just hide and show the things. Whatever we want to do, we can do anytime. Now here we have one more option is given, swap visible space. What this option will do, it will be showing you those things which is hidden in different space. And when we click on this, you see all the sketches and plane that I hided earlier, that will be visible now. Now if you want to see the original data again, you just click back, it will be show you the original file. So you can keep all the files in hidden space separately, and if you want to easily show, like sometime what happen, like if I hiding that sketches from here also, now if I want to select something to show easily, I'll go here and I can select a particular sketch. Suppose this I want to show it, I can click from show here, and I when go to the space, it is easily visible here. Now one more option is left here, fly. So fly mode, we have to say yes here. It will be change our natural mode to perspective view. We'll say yes here. Now you see the model how it is looking. So here you have a plane, you can take this plane view and you can fly over the model like that. You can control the speed and you can fly in the model actually. Okay, up and down inside the model we can fly. Let me now adjust that. Now once the fly mode we have done, we have to take the model into normal view because the model won't look normal. So you have to go to views and you have to go to rendering style, and there you have to change this to parallel view. So then only your model will be look normal to the screen. Otherwise the model won't look normal to the screen. So this is how we have completed the view toolbar. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.